so we have a math test tomorrow, and we're just going to do our review, chapter 3 review test today. Basically, these are things that you're going to need to know for your math test. Okay? Circle the sum. A sum is a what?
The answer
To
addition.
addition problem. A sum is the answer to addition problem. Circle the difference. A difference is? Yes, the answer to a subtraction problem. Okay? Write the sum and the difference for the related facts. So just writing the answers for the addition and subtraction facts. Complete the bar model. They give you the big number and a small number. So what do? Add Hudson's name in here. Write how many grapes he has. You have to add the answer, but you are also writing the number sentence. Okay? You will probably need, I guess you can write that, when you find out that number, you can write that in your number sentence. Or you can just make a box and then put it in the box later. Down here, you're telling how many rows of how many of those circles. Then writing the two numbers. Remember, these are repeated addition. Repeated addition, so these two numbers need to be the same. And then finding the answer. Okay, same with this one. Repeated addition, so what three numbers, the same three numbers, and then find the answer. Okay, then you have a word problem, some more word problems. So find the answers. There's not that many. We will do this side together. Okay? So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Guys, you are going to have, you remember how on the back page of your math, it's usually a little harder? These are going to be similar questions. Not the exact same, but these are going to be similar. So you need to know how to do these so that tomorrow you know how to do the ones that are on your test. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Kyle and Lewis together, or both of them together, have the same number of fish as Mary. Okay, so putting Kyle and Lewis's together means you have the same as Mary. Okay? So, how many fish does Lewis have? Well, Mary has 11, right? Okay, so Kyle and Lewis together have to make 11. We know Kyle has 5. So write a number sentence with a blank for the missing number. So we say Kyle has how many fish?
Kyle.
Okay, for our number sentence, where do we write 5 at then?
At the beginning.
At the beginning. 5. Okay, then what do we do? Yes? Plus. Now, do we know Lewis's number?
No.
So what do we do? Put a box. 5 plus box equals 11. Okay, then solve. Okay, 5 plus what is 11? I'll let you think about it. Use your number lines if you need to, or whatever you need to do, however you need to figure it out. 5 plus what is 11? 1, 2, 3, go. Tell me.
6.
5 plus 6. So Lewis has to have
6.
Okay, so solve, then explain how the number sentence shows the problem. Okay. Nah. Okay, so explain how the number sentence shows the problem. I think we just say Kyle equals 5. Oh, sorry, not the word number. 5 equals 6 fish. 5 plus 6 equals 11 fish. Nope. I'm not really writing words. I'm writing just numbered sentences.
Really, is this one?
Because to me that explains it.
And then we write period.
Yeah. Okay. Are we done?
Yes.
We're going to do number 16. So you guys, tomorrow you will probably have to read a number sentence, you will probably have to read a problem. You will have to write a number sentence like we did with a box showing where something is missing. You will have to solve it then, and then tell me how you solved it. So if you just need to show me, like I said, you looked up here, Kyle has 5 fish. You didn't know how much Lewis has, we figured out that it's 6. Because we know 5 plus 6 equals 11, right? Okay. Performance task. You're going to have to do one like this too. Let's read it. Morgan has 6 ducks in a pond and some ducks on the grass. What is that telling us we're going to be doing right now? Okay, we'll probably adding, but we will have to make a
Picture.
number sentence that has a box. Because they didn't tell us how many in the grass. So you will probably have to write a number sentence with a box. Okay? There are 14 ducks in all. How many ducks are in the grass? Draw or write to show how you found the answer.
Draw.
Okay. Well, we're gonna do both. So first, let's write. Morgan counts 6 ducks in a pond, so that's gonna be 6 and some on the grass.
Plus box.
Plus box. Thank you. 6 plus box.
Equals.
There are 14 ducks in all.
14.
So equals 14. Then we can say box equals and tell, right? But we don't know what box equals yet. So let's do that right now. So we have ducks in a pond, right?
Yeah.
So let's just draw 6 right quick for the ducks in the pond, right? Okay. We need to keep drawing circles to find 14. So let's just count. 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many things did we draw to get to 14?
8.
Okay, so 8 is, the box equals 8. Okay. That's all you have to do.
That's not that hard.
No? We drew a picture with little circles or counters, and we just showed that the box equals 8. Sorry. Box equals 8. Why did you write 6 plus 7 equals 14? Because that is not correct, my friend. All right, now, boys and girls, the bottom. Same story, okay? How many more? What does this mean?
Subtracting.
Okay, how many more ducks are in the grass than in the pond? So we are going to subtract. How many ducks were in the grass, guys?
6.
How many ducks were in the grass? 8 ducks were in the grass. And we said we're subtracting because it says how many more. How many were in the pond? 6 equals equals we don't know yet, right? So let's figure that out. Let's draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So I drew 8 counters. We need to take away 6, right? So I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do I have left? 2. Okay, so box equals 2. 2 ducks. 8 ducks. Okay. So drawing and finding answers or writing the number sentences can be easy, correct?
Yes.
Okay, this is probably what you're going to be doing tomorrow on your back part of your math